Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to start visualization in Power BI by making simple sales dashboard. You can check the data has been imported already and can be shown in the right side of window. Now start build visualization. Select the two slicers one by one for the country selection and the month selection for the user. In first slicer, select the country from the right side of the window and adjust the size of the slicer accordingly. In the second slicer, select the month name and adjust the size of the slicer accordingly. Now select the three cards one by one from the right side of the window that is build visualization. Adjust the size of the cards. You can choose pie chart or any chart from your build visualization window. Now arrange the cards in a row and add data on each card. First card reflect the total sales value. Second card will be show the profit of the country sales product. And the third card will be reflecting the number of units sold. Now select the ribbon chart that will reflect the how much the country sold the items in each category of their product. So click the ribbon chart and add the data from the right side. Country, sale and segment in respective category. Now select the text box from the upper ribbons and settings the text size accordingly. Now you can select one country and check their total sales profit, number of units sold and sales by any country in each segment in a single window. Thanks for watching our video.